Thinking of taking an education loan? Let's be honest, when you hear the words credit score or CIBIL, it sounds like something only working professionals should worry about. You are a student, probably applying for first ever loan, and suddenly someone asks for your credit score. You might think, wait, do I even have one? What if my score is low? Will my loan get rejected? And what about my parents? Does their score matter too? I have been there, so let's take this step one by one. Credit scores can feel some kind of mysterious gatekeeper, silently judging you. At Propelled, we don't see credit scores as just a number. We see your potential. We know that education is a big dream and we are here to help you achieve it no matter where you start. Yes, a good score helps, but it's just not everything. Let me explain. So if you're applying for an education loan through Propelled, here is what we actually look at. Your academic record, the course you're applying for, the college or institute reputation, and most importantly, your co-applicant's profile. Because let's face it, most students don't have a credit history yet. That's completely okay. We have designed our loans with that in mind. If you have never taken a loan or credit card, you might not have a score at all. No problem. As long as your co-applicant, like your parent or guardian, has stable income and a decent credit record, we can still move forward. So, no score is not equal to no loan. Now, what if there is a score but it's lower than ideal? In India, our credit score ranges from 300 to 900 and anything over and above 750 is considered strong. But again, a low score doesn't automatically mean rejection. If your co-applicant has a strong income or your academic record is solid or you have gotten into a top-tier college, we still take a deeper look. We may tweak the loan terms like reduce the amount or adjust the tenure, but the door isn't closed till now. You might have heard about the study now, pay later models, where students don't pay anything until after graduation. But while it might sound appealing, it often leads to debt piling up, making it harder to students to manage the finances later. Propelled doesn't offer that kind of zero payment moratorium because it often leads to debt piling up. Instead, we offer an interest-only moratorium, where you pay just the interest during your course. Full EMIs begin after graduation, with a grace period in most cases. This keeps your debt under control while giving you breathing space during your studies as well. And as of now, we don't have ISAs, income sharing agreements, because they don't align with our mission of transparent financing. Now here's the part no one actually tells you. Taking an education loan is actually a great way to start building your credit score as well. If you repay on time, even if it's just interest during your course, it shows the future lenders that you are financially responsible. On the flip side, missed EMIs or delays can damage your score badly. So once your EMIs begin, make sure you are consistent. This small habit can help you get home loans, car loans or credit cards in the future as well, all with better terms. And yes, sometimes an application may get rejected due to a weak score, but that's not the end. You can reapply. And here is how you can improve your chances next time. Add a stronger co-applicant. Share more financial documents like ITRs or bank statements. Opt for a smaller loan for a longer tenure. Explore collateral-based loans if available. Most students who tweak even one or two things get much better outcomes on their second try. So even if your score isn't perfect, please do not worry. At Propelled, we are not just looking at your past, we are looking at your potential. In our next video, we'll talk about something a lot of parents ask us. How is Propelled different from banks and other NBFCs? Faster approvals, less paperwork, really flexible. We'll break it all down so you can choose the right path for your future. Subscribe now and turn on the notifications as well so you don't miss the answers to the questions you didn't even know you had in your mind. Ready to apply? Visit propelled.com or connect with our support team for 1:1 guidance. Not ready yet? Save this playlist and come back when you are. We'll be right here.